everyone! I hope I can be heard. Okay, let's... Weird. Oh, I see. My light's Here you go. Okay, that should be better. Alright. Perfect. Okay, hi. So, I've been away for a while. But I'm back, and that's all that matters. Don't bother with the excuses, yeah. Okay, so... Okay, because I'm gonna cut this part out when I do my change to video. So I'll just restart everything. So hi everyone, welcome back. This is the last so-called episode for how Notions uses Notions, or rather building up Notions internal wiki. The previous time I did, I had like quite a bit of technical difficulties. So, but hopefully it should be all sorted out today. Which I've done a few tests and it should work. So yeah. So with that, let's dive into it. And before I start, just let me make sure that I can see chat. Just in case anybody chats, then it'll be quite not very good if I can't see that people are talking to me. I won't be able to reply people. That is embarrassing. Not very nice. So let's make sure I can see chat. Okay, great. Okay, perfect. Okay, great. So, today we'll do the last part, which is the people and HR part of Notion, it's internal wiki. So this was where we stopped the previous time. No, I didn't open my Notion dashboard. Okay, I'll need to flicker that scene off for a while. So guys, give me a moment. No, wait, wrong one. Here we go. Okay. So this is where we last left off. We created the advocacy tracking and I think the community part, which was just above. Yeah, the community part. And then now we're moving to people. So it's quite interesting that Notion's people has so much information on like their recruiting, HR, what's in the office. Like I see there's bubble tea, which is really important in Singapore, and as well as fun things. So and also like there's more information about each individual person in Notion, which is great. You can see like how long they were in Notion, when did they join, and where are they from, because I guess there's a lot of people from different parts of the world. So let's try and recreate. This looks really simple. And then once I'm done adding some pages, because it didn't look like there's a lot of pages yet, there's not a lot of pages, and then after that I'll see how to reorganize the entire let me just drop down all the pages here into something more coherent, because as you can see that there's a lot of filler text that we saw earlier, but that weren't developed into pages. So it looks kind of odd, so I'll probably remove it and then see how all these should be organized, and this would be based on like a lot of assumptions that I would have to make, and this is just to give a sense of like how one would recreate an internal wiki. And I realize it's not the best idea to be holding this mic. I'm just testing this mic today to see how well it functions, but let me see if I can. I'm going to turn my camera off for a short while and see whether I can put this mic somewhere. So let's see if the sounds for this mic, like the positioning, works. Testing. That's quite audible. Yes. Scrolling, which is kind of weird. Audible? Yeah, pretty good. Okay, great. Let's go. Hi, Wiki. I'm just finishing up my this series so that I don't have to. So I'm done with my series. Yay! Everything's quite clear, right? So I actually got a new desktop so that I can stream properly, and I'm glad the stream looks great. And I also have a separate mic, which is great. I hope the volume is better, and then I don't have like headphones coming out of my head, so that works even better. You wish you had space. Yeah, I got like this humongous table, so yeah, which is mostly empty. I just got it so big so that the cat can sit on the table, because it's a big cat and very spoiled. So yeah, I paid more for the table cost so that the cat can sit on the table. Like really very I don't know what to do. The life is on laptop. Hey, freaking! I would agree last time, but to live stream you cannot use a laptop. Like, very damn shit. Yeah. But can I say, from live streaming, I've learned how to. So now for gym, because we do gym at home with other people, like with our trainers lah. So like the camera, because I can live stream, right? So I put my camera far away and my phone's the camera, and then the laptop is nearer, so like, the trainer can see like a bigger view of us, and the laptop is nearer so that I can see the trainer and talk to the trainer better. So it's pretty great. Side effects of learning how to live stream. Okay, so let's finish today up. It should be quite fast. And I'm really heavy myself. No more water. Okay, come. So let's go to people. Go to your people page. Go to page, right? Yeah, people. So I've done that. People. And then, the emoji. Dancing girl. There we go. And then, so weird. emojis look hell better on a Mac than like on a Windows. So it's recruiting, HR, office, and fun. Ta-da! So it looks like H1, recruiting, HR, office, and fun. So Vika, have you started work? I mean like for the day lah, cause it is after 9 p.m. a.m. p.m. Sad shit. Divider. Duplicate the divider. Oh, you know what? Duplicate the wrong thing. The good thing about not having to use my headphones is that I don't have to worry about the battery running up, because when I use my Bluetooth headphones, like when the battery runs out, it's like gg.com. But now that I'm using a mic plugged into the computer, like I don't have to worry about battery, which is great. Office and fun. Hey, by the way, if you didn't notice, like Notions, they have a bubble tea order, just like freaking awesome. Full. Okay, so I generally do full width for pages, unless I specifically want it to like be easy to read straight down. But especially for pages that have like multiple columns, in this case there's 4 columns, then of course we want it to be full width. Okay, sorry, can you see something? Starting work while having breakfast. Yeah, that's the best part about working from home, so that you can eat your breakfast at home without having to, I mean, go out and buy like some expensive fancy coffee that isn't very good. You want bubble tea? Oh my gosh, show you. Look. You see Notion, under office, there's bubble tea, bracket boba. I don't get the origin of boba. I need to search it out, because it's so very like, seriously, boba. Yeah. Because it sounds like pao cha. Pow. Translate into boba. I don't know, man. I'm just like self-entertaining myself now. Okay, design recruiting. Right, I can hack this lah to make it look like I can't do the underline. Oh wait, there's underline now. I think it's a new feature. Ooh, sorry. I think that should be quite loud on the phone. On the phone. But you can, yeah, you can do underline now in Notion. Oh, I think somebody asked me last time. And can add emojis inline as well. So on my Mac, I usually have bring up my emoji keyboard, but on Windows I haven't figured out how to do it yet. So it's great that there's an inline block that's emoji, and dang it, I need to scroll through to find. Okay, where's the shoe? I'm really bad at remembering where emojis are. Because I only use this set few of emojis, like. Okay, I'm trying to make my faces become emojis, but it's not working. Where is the shoe? The shoe logo. Lama. Is it? In Taiwan they call it boba nai cha. Oh, I thought they call it papa cha. I need to visit Taiwan, man. I've never, okay, so embarrassing. I've never visited Taiwan. really like, so it feels quite Singaporean. I'm sorry, a more refined version of Singaporean. But it also helps that they speak Fujianhua, but much more demure version of Fujianhua. Alamak, where's the shoe, man? I'm going to be scrolling everywhere looking for a shoe. So, I cannot search. Okay, never mind. Next best player. Sales recruiting. Okay, finagling walking around. And this the whale. I think the whale is right at the bottom. Oh, they seriously testing me for emojis now. The whale. This? I'm pretty sure they use. Okay. Yay! Oh, this can go beside. Oh, no. Please let go beside. No, I cannot. Lama. We have a problem. It cannot go beside. Okay. Wash. Okay, sales recruiting, customer success, something. What are you doing? There, I've got Chinese characters here. Let me see. Whoa. Why you use Fanti? What is that thing? Oh no, my chat is gonna block by the thing. Okay, let me make my screen smaller. Oops. I just realized it's getting blocked. Okay. Slightly bigger. Okay. Yay, I'm pleased. Editing on the fly. Whoa. I don't understand it. Can you help me ping this? What's the second word? I see whoa something nai cha. And that's it. Okay, customer success, la 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 la. Notion directory. Lines. Slack black. Into health insurance. Okay, don't do that so much lah. Okay, let's do next one. Office. Credit. Policy. COVID-19. Is it in caps? Yeah. Resources. I'm going to put my thing to the side so I can see what it's up. You want bubble tea emoji? I got bubble tea icon if you want. But it's not an emoji. I think soon, I honestly think sooner or later, there will be bubble tea emoji just cause it's such a big thing. Hi. COVID-19 resources. Okay, and then fun tea. I think right, like if we have bubble tea emojis, we would like just keep spamming it. Oh, I have it in WhatsApp. Bubble tea emoji, like the thing, something, everything. Oh, and of course, like Telegram and all the other. No, sorry, it's a WhatsApp is a bubble tea sticker. Clarify. Versus I don't know, I find emojis like they're just going to be really 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 slow to adopt cute stuff, and also it's kind of a standard, so like just use stickers lor. Like really. Okay, noted. I can. Okay, when you say lag, what is lagging? Like, for me talking, maybe 2 seconds. How big is your lag? I technically I can LAN cable this thing, but I'm trying not to. Let me check. Oh, I think the camera has something. Okay. Next one I will LAN cable it. And also my quality, my quality is better this time. My quality is 1080p. Danyang very classy. Okay, Notion. Oh, okay, so we can build the Notion directory, which is pretty cool. Oops, I should edit that out. Lemak, I cannot. Okay. Yay! Somebody was saying, right, that we should quickly drink bubble tea because we're probably going into like another lockdown soon, judging from the amount of people, not the amount of people, judging from the community. Let's look at the facts and the data. Judging from the number of community cases that are increasing, so we might go back down into another lockdown. So with that, or at least maybe they'll stop F&B, I don't know. So with that, we will not have bubble tea, which means that guys, we got to quickly drink our bubble tea. And directory. Oh, it's a table. Kind of like the table. Yeah, okay, here we go. Table. Let's do, I guess, tendencies. I do need to build out the properties though. Hello. Team. Team type. Really testing my memory, man. I need to screenshot this. Teams. Which looks like a multi drop down. Okay. Sorry, multi-select, multi-done. Teams. Oh, actually, I should tell my friend that I'm actually. What you said? Of course not! Everybody going up, like cause and effect. We haven't gone out yet, we're like sad people who are just staying at home. Okay, last for the best. Dang it, this thing moves so fast. Type. What's that? Type. Okay, I prefer to fiddle with properties in the page itself instead of doing it as a table, because the table just gets unnervingly and it gets like really bloated if you have too many properties. It's just easier to see very done. Okay. I think it's a, is it multi-select? Oh, single. Yeah, single. Oh, by the way, do you notice my green screen? Is it not cool? I'm so proud of it. It's just hacked together. Personal email, website. Personal email. Website is probably a URL. LinkedIn. Actually, you know what? It's really no point like doing everything up. Cause I'm lazy. Well, technically I could screenshot, but I'm still figuring out how to use a Windows computer. Okay, we'll just do start date and then be done. Start. Yay! Okay, so this will probably be filled up with everybody in Notion, and that needs to be easy to find everybody. So yeah, so imagine like all the other pages being filled out, etc. Okay, so with that, we're pretty much done. And oh, sorry, I should mention, I forgot to mention one more thing. So I think this is great, have directory of everybody, and also like at the bottom here, one could fill out more details about oneself, so that people, sometimes you can't really meet everybody in the company is too big. So having more personal details about yourself, like where you're from, your favorite food, something weird about yourself, not weird, but okay, that you want people to know, that it's fun, conversation starter, to put down at the bottom the details of the page. That's great. Okay, so let's go back to OS. Just the landing page for Notion's Wiki. And then, okay, so I'll scroll right up to the OS that we saw like 4 videos ago. Okay, so you can see that to the left side, what's this called? Bar, what is it called? Under workspace, you can see how they are all like certain pages are organized into sub folders. So we're gonna, when you create a page, it is automatically like, okay, sorry, let me back up. For OS, all the pages I created are not necessarily organized in their folders already, because I did not know exactly where they went. So I for every page that you create, it just came out as pages under OS. So let's create sub pages so that they can be organized and won't be seen in the main OS screen, which makes it very messy for everybody who has to land. Yeah. Okay. So with that, there's a task page, which is already here. So without dropping down that task page, I can't see whether is it anywhere below. Let me see. It's probably a page, so I'm just gonna assume that it's a page just to be neat lah, okay. And then I can drag that up and then put this task underneath. So once I drag it in, you notice that the task has vanished, but that also means a task here. There probably is a task at the bottom probably. Okay, I'm gonna undo that. Okay, it didn't undo, so I will, okay, so I Control Z, and then the task goes back here, and then I'll delete this task page. Yeah, that is such a great idea, because I can't see how the bottom of the page is organized. Okay, anyway, but so how does one create subfolders on the side here is by creating pages, and then you would be able to reorder the pages here. So as you can see here, people is at the bottom, which is the same. People is at the bottom here. Sales and success. So there's a sales and success page above people. So let me go back. Sales and success page above people. Marketing has its own page. Community branding. So then they would drag all the different pages or databases that were created into these subfolders. Yeah, that's how you organize and internal. So yeah, thanks. I think that's it for today. It's super short because this was the last bit only, and I didn't want to ramble too much. So yeah, so stay tuned for future videos. I might finish up. I'm still thinking whether I should finish up my Animal Crossing database because it's fun. And also I'll go into how we use Notion at home as a family. So by family I mean me and a half, and as well as my cat. The cat doesn't actually use the system, but the cat has his own pages in the system where we take like vet records, things that we buy for him, because I keep an inventory, medicine. I do keep vet records because he has health issues as well, health issues both in terms of internal as well as external. Both in terms of by internal I mean his kidney issues, and external because he had a broken leg, a broken hip. So with that there was a rehabbing. So with rehabbing he constantly went back to the vet and we had to monitor progress. So with that I do keep vet records. I do keep if there's anything happening in a day, I'll keep a day. I will log it down. So there's a vet record database and as well as a daily log database. So yes, that should be quite fun. It's like logging your own medical conditions, you know. Like as humans, like we also have to do that in those animals. Okay, so thanks for tuning in. I'll see you the next time I stream. Yeah, I'll let you know. Just follow. My stream isn't very consistent right now because I just restarted. I'm trying to get back into the groove. So follow, and you'll get a notification when I do go online. Yeah. See ya. Thanks for tuning in, Cat.